सो आइडिया कैसे आया आप जब हम कॉलेज से निकले कोविड हिट हुआ वी डिड नॉट हैव एक्सेस टू द सोशल लाइफ वी हैड इन कॉलेज वो द 25 लोगों का व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप 250-500 लोगों का व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप हो गया तो दिखा बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड ऑफ माउथ वापस ये क्लब आप स्टार्ट करो लाइक वी विल टेक अवे द बोरिंग स्टफ संजीव बिखचंदानी को we were pitching. He said कि your startup will scale like a religion.
So how has been your journey like?
So I'll tell you how we scale.
कोई बंदा निकलना चाहता है या निकल के अपना क्रिएट कर लेता है तो उसमें क्या चैलेंज है? These processes are becoming your core moat. Correct.
I think this is one of the most direct industries to enter. It's very opposite to AI. For fundraise, I have a very important advice. Fundraisers work on momentum.
What actually keeps you growing and going?
Where you've left a hole in terms of someone misbehaving, you will 100% see someone misbehave.
Hi guys, this is Devanshu here and this is Indian Founders Podcast. Founders के अंदर एक अलग एनर्जी होती है. They can change the way people think. इलोन मस्क ने टेस्ला बना दी, इलेक्ट्रिक कार की एक रियलिटी बना दी. स्टीव जॉब्स चेंज्ड द वे हाउ पीपल वुड टाइप, रिमूव द कीबोर्ड. सो there is a different energy with founders and they sometimes change what and how people can behave. In a similar way, we have a founder with us, Shashwat, जिनकी कंपनी भी कुछ ऐसा कर रही है with respect to how people find friends and make friendships. So this is something very close to my heart as well for two reasons. पहला तो ये कि ये हमारे घर के बगल में ही रहते हैं और दूसरा ये कि इनका जो स्टार्टअप है विच इज़ कॉल्ड मिसफिट्स is somewhere very close to what my first startup was, Mingout. So today we will try to understand from him कि इन्होंने अपने स्टार्टअप की शुरुआत कहाँ से करी, what has been his journey like, what are the struggles that they have faced together as a team, how did they go about solving it, what are the challenges in changing the way people think, and how did they scale this business. Shashwat, welcome
Hello.
to our podcast. Thank you so much for finding time.
Lovely introduction. Thanks a lot.
तो शाश्वत लाइक हमारी बहुत सारी जनता जो है दे आर यंग बिल्डर्स
Yes.
ओके एंड दे वुड वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू मोर प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स ओके
Correct.
सो आप थोड़ा सा अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताइए हाउ यू गाइज मेट एंड हाउ डिड दिस आइडिया एक्चुअली कम अप.
ठीक है. आई थिंक आई ट्राई टू कीप इट इन टू एस्पेक्ट्स. एक तो ऑफ कोर्स हमें आइडिया कैसे आया या हम इस पे क्या पे काम कर रहे थे बट ऑल्सो लाइक द स्टेप्स वी टुक.
श्योर.
सो आइडिया कैसे आया कि जब हम कॉलेज से निकले कोविड हिट हुआ. कोविड हिट हुआ तो सोशल आइसोलेशन बढ़ गई थी. जैसे ही खत्म हुआ कोविड हम सब गुड़गांव आए थे. हम लोग 4 दोस्त में से 3 दोस्त फ्लैटमेट्स थे गुड़गांव में. वी डिड नॉट हैव एक्सेस टू द सोशल लाइफ वी हैड इन कॉलेज. मैं ड्रामेटिक्स क्लब में बहुत एक्टिव था, सौरभ डांस क्लब में बहुत एक्टिव था और हमारा वही ग्रुप था. हम साथ में ही चिल करते रहते थे. तो वी डिड नॉट हैव एक्सेस टू दैट लाइफ एंड वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि क्या कर सकते हैं. वन थिंग गुड अबाउट दैट हाउस दैट वी हैड वाज कि पीछे बहुत अच्छा था बैकयार्ड था. तो हमने सोचा कि कैन वी होस्ट समथिंग हियर. देन वी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग बेसिकली वी स्टार्टेड इंस्टाग्राम पे जिस तरह के म्यूजिशियंस होते हैं जो दे आर नॉट वेरी फेमस म्यूजिशियंस बट दे आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड अ करियर. वी यूज्ड टू कॉल देम एंड वी यूज्ड टू इनवाइट everyone in our network कि यार एक कॉन्सर्ट सा हो रहा है, घर पे कॉन्सर्ट है. when we started doing those बहुत सारे लोग आने लगे. सबको ये प्रॉब्लम थी. we made a WhatsApp group. suddenly we would do one event a month and वो द 25 लोगों का WhatsApp group 250-500 लोगों का WhatsApp group हो गया. तो देखा बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड ऑफ माउथ है. घर पे इवेंट करा के लग रहा था कि यार इतने लोग 25 लोगों को एक इवेंट कराने में पूरी मेहनत लग जाती है और अकेले आप होस्ट कर रहे होते हो. तो मैं खुद ही ये 2-3 बार कर पाऊंगा महीने में, उससे ज़्यादा तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
Exactly.
इफ़ यू डू अ बोर्ड गेमिंग नाइट सम डिफरेंट पीपल वुड कम. तो देन यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग कि लोगों के अपने इंटरेस्ट है, अपने पैशंस है, बट यू कैन नॉट cater to all of them in a single property or come up with a single event format जिससे सब लोग आना चाहे. तो वी स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि स्केलेबल क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें. हमने ऐसे 5-6 महीने 1-1, 2-2, 3-3 इवेंट्स कराए घर पे. स्केलेबल आइडिया वाज, आई थिंक दैट वाज द गेम चेंजर फॉर अस व्हेन वी डिसाइडेड कि मिसफिट्स के लिए जॉब छोड़नी है. दैट वाज व्हेन वी डिसाइडेड कि हम क्या करते हैं, वी लेट्स गो टू दीज वेरी पैशनेट पीपल अराउंड डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज. तो board gaming के लिए there was a person called Sanchita. She had like a collection of 200-250 board games, but she was not hosting anything or doing anything with it. तो हमने उनके पास बोला कि आप वापस ये क्लब आप स्टार्ट करो. What we will do for you is we will find like we will take away the boring stuff. आपका मार्केटिंग करना कि कैसे लोग आएंगे, किस वेन्यू से बात करनी है, पेमेंट्स कैसे मैनेज करना है लोगों के, ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स वी विल डू फॉर यू. तो व्हेन शी स्टार्टेड, एकाएक बहुत सारे लोगों को हुआ कि यार संजिता स्टार्टिंग बोर्ड गेमिंग अगेन, लेट्स कम हियर. And from day one only we started getting a lot of people. I think that was the point when we decided कि word of mouth बहुत strong है, बहुत लोगों को ऐड होना है, बहुत लोगों को, जो लोग संचिता के क्लब में आए वो आके बोल रहे थे कि मुझे बुक क्लब चलाना है, मुझे माफिया क्लब चलाना है, मुझे क्रिकेट क्लब चलाना है. तो very quickly went from 1 to 4 5 clubs that were running and people were leading those. From a practical aspect I think what worked for us was कि हम हमेशा सोचते थे कि कौन सी छोटी चीज़ें अभी जो कर सकते हैं which will solve someone's problem. Every time we used to think what is the immediate next step, and that next step got us to like a decent model that was working for a while.
I purposely asked this question, and I wanted to learn about this journey, and in fact show it to the audience also, because क्योंकि आपका एक बहुत ही नई चीज़ है. It is not a product, it is not a service, it is something in between. And one thing I guess that worked for you is patience, कि आप बहुत ही slowly उसे change करते रहे.
So there was a statement that when we were fundraising for the first time, तो हम Info Ventures के पास गए थे, तो संजीव बिखचंदानी को we were pitching, and when he heard the whole thing he said it was a very interesting thing. He said कि your startup will scale like a religion. So what did that mean? So उनका मतलब था कि यार आप जो ट्राई कर रहे हो वो it is, if someone is a misfits user, he is living a very different life from most people. Most people are spending most of their free time either watching something on Netflix or doom scrolling or talking to a few friends somewhere here and there, or maybe going to a pub on a Saturday and partying and drinking alcohol. But you are proposing a different lifestyle. And if you think that lifestyle is better और आपके पास कुछ भी यूजर्स आएंगे तो उनकी आइडेंटिटी ही अलग हो जाएगी सबसे.
This is what, like, my next question is कि when you look at the audience that you are catering to is mostly like 20 to 30 वाली audience,
Correct.
जिनके अंदर
Yes.
एनर्जी ज़्यादा है, कुछ
Yes.
लोगों से मिलने का,
Yes.
तो उस एज का पेइंग कैपेसिटी इज आल्सो वेरी लेस.
In fact, if you look at the age demographic that you're talking about, और उनका आप spends देखो in lifestyle, I think that is decently high. While 28 onwards जो age group है, they spend a lot on a lot of other things. Lifestyle spends, and like we are not the only player or startup in the market who's trying to cater to this audience to get them to spend more on lifestyle, because at the end of the day this is the set of people which socializes the most, that talks the most, that brags the most, that cares about the identity probably the most, because they are in social circles where it's sort of important of how they are forming their identity. वो उस stage में होते हैं. So lifestyle spends is a big thing for this community. Even if they're earning 50,000 or 60,000, they will budget a good 5-10,000 for lifestyle spends. So I think although we've also stayed very low in terms of our ARPU, ये हमारा average revenue per user per transaction is somewhere around 250 to 300 rupees. We also want the ARPU to be less so that people can attend more times a week. You can do this 2-3 times a week. Our power users are attending anywhere from 10 to 15 times a month. So for that to happen, it has to be at a very reasonable cost. There are a lot of meetups that run for free and we let that happen in the community. We let that happen on the...
That is your trial product.
हाँ, but there run clubs, for example, not just our platform, but otherwise also they don't charge much coming.
So शाश्वत, आपका मैं डेमोग्राफिक समझ गया, ठीक है, आपका कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ. आई ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रॉब्लम कि मतलब बिटवीन अ प्रोडक्ट एंड अ सर्विस, द चैलेंज दैट इज देयर. व्हाट आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि इसमें बिजनेस कैसा है, आप ब्रॉड ओवरव्यू कि कैसे बिजनेस अरेंज होता है.
ठीक है, I'll tell you the current state, but keeping in mind that we are an early startup, the current model is where most of the business is basically a transaction when you register for a meetup. And that, so I'll divide it into two parts. You have sports clubs and you have non-sports clubs. Non-sports club में बस एक ही party और है, the leader. Because generally the venues that are hosting board gaming clubs, music clubs, not dance club, but music club, board gaming clubs, etc. are providing us that venue for free because वो कैफे होता है जहाँ पे लोग आते हैं, खाना पीना खा रहे होते हैं. तो it is only the leader who's providing the service. Whatever money comes, around on an average 70% we give to the leader straight up, and 30% we keep. Sports club में it's very different. जहाँ पे एक venue involved है and you have to pay a booking cost. So वहाँ the commissions are a bit less. वहाँ पे basically what we earlier used to do was we had a partnership with the venue. So if anyone is booking, you would take 10% of the booking cost.
Understood.
But we sort of, for scalability, discontinued that. Abhi bas it's just that whatever is the booking cost, usse thoda sa markup pe the leader is charging, and that money is being split between us and the leader.
अच्छा.
But broadly, how to look at or evaluate this business is a GMV business. For example, meetups that are happening through our clubs is the base thing. But then you have trips that happen through the clubs.
Understood.
You have larger events that happen through the club. You have a lot of food ordering that happens when you are in a meetup. So if we are focusing on GMV, then all of these transactions I would like to capture through the platform itself.
अंडरस्टूड. सो बेसिकली आपका ये है कि आप अभी बेस बनाया है आपने, इसके बाद के जो स्पेंड्स हैं वो आप इन सम वे और द अदर यू विल ट्राई टू ब्रिंग इट थ्रू द प्लेटफॉर्म.
Correct. Then the other thing is, जिसका थोड़ा बहुत अभी स्टार्ट भी हो गया, is brand partnerships.
अंडरस्टूड. वो कैसे वर्क
So,
करते हैं?
so I think with time, real world influencers are going to become more and more a thing. अब हम जो इन क्लब लीडर्स की बात कर रहे हैं, उनके पास सच में रियल इन्फ्लुएंस है. आई एम रनिंग अ रन क्लब ऑफ माई ओन, और इफ आई एम रनिंग अ बोर्ड गेमिंग क्लब और अ फुटबॉल क्लब ऑफ माई ओन, they see me as a leader. They know that I am at least an expert in the club that I lead. So at least I know about the products of that particular activity, that particular hobby. And if not just that, even if I'm coming, even if this is a board gaming club which is sort of sponsored by a shoe brand, they are part of the community. It is easier to influence.
Is perfect. And when we talk about this, so scaling is one of the biggest challenge that मतलब anyone in our audience actually faces.
हाँ.
तो आपने वो जर्नी देखिए बहुत ही बूट लेवल पे करी है आई
Correct.
फील.
हाँ.
सो आपने उसको एकदम चैट से व्हाट्सएप चैट से यहाँ आगे तक लेके गए. सो हाउ हैज बीन योर जर्नी लाइक? व्हाट आर द प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम दैट?
So I'll tell you how we scale. अगर हम कोई नए शहर के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो we go there and we try to find passionate people who would like to lead clubs सबसे पहले. If there are existing communities who are willing to partner, who believe in the same vision as we do, so we try to onboard them so that we have some supply. Ideally, I would want some supply which also comes in with some demand. So for example, अगर मेरे पास कोई existing community है, जिसके 200 लोग हैं, 300 लोग हैं, 10-15 लोगों का मीटअप होता है, I would want to onboard those earlier. But we also onboard people who are just passionate and don't have a community. And
Nice.
then I start putting it out on Instagram that I've reached the city. Instagram following हमारी अच्छी grow कर गई है. It's now 130K followers. So if we put out that we're launching Noida or we're launching Bangalore, we know that we'll get some critical mass. उसके बाद थोड़ा rely करना पड़ता है on word of mouth of the whole thing. People are sharing stories, people telling others about the events that they're going through. And if you're doing it regular enough and there is decent word of mouth, तो फिर एक फ्लाईवील चल जाता है. वो फ्लाईवील है कि 2 क्लब चल रहे हैं, उसमें लोग आ रहे हैं, उन्हें पता है कि अच्छा मिसरिच में मैं कोई भी क्लब खोल सकता हूँ. सो देन दे अप्लाई टू स्टार्ट न्यू क्लब्स, दे ब्रिंग इन मोर पीपल, एंड देन सडनली यू स्टार्ट हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ क्लब्स. तो आवर अप्रोच देयर इज कि हम सीडिंग अच्छे से करें.
So that is a very good learning. In fact, for audience like जो शाश्वत कर रहे हैं, that is something which is known as brand advocates. अगर आप अपनी brand में, अपने product में you are not able to figure out how to push through, and if regular or conventional forms of marketing is not working for you, just find good advocates so that they keep pushing. And definitely advocates would have their own incentives also. जैसे
Yes, of course.
शाश्वत दे रहे हैं कि मतलब आपने 30% उनको दे दिया, 70% उनको दे दिया, 30% आपने कमीशन रख लिया. तो आई गेस आपसे जो आधा पुश आ रहा है, दैट इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मनी मार्केटिंग एंड प्रोसेसेस, दे आर pushing in terms of their own influence.
Correct. Whoever they can bring. मतलब जो मैं अपनी स्टोरी बता रहा था कि हम पहले 20 लोग लाना चाह रहे थे, अब वो माइक्रो लेवल पे everyone is doing. Everyone who becomes a leader is trying to get that 15-20 people initially so that the club starts moving. But it is their thing.
अच्छा, इसमें एक और चैलेंज है शाश्वत, since you are relying on these people which are key to your business model.
हाँ.
तो अगर कल को कोई बंदा निकलना चाहता है या निकल के अपना क्रिएट कर लेता है, तो उसमें क्या चैलेंज है और कैसे आप हैंडल करते हो उसे?
तो इस पे 2 चीज़ें हैं. एक तो कि if someone wants to completely move away and do something independently. And the second is if someone wants to do this on a rival platform. Someone comes and sort of makes a platform which is very similar to ours and they want to start hosting there. I think supply demand जैसे वर्क करती है, it is if you have the right amount of people, if you have the demand, then leaders would want to stick to your plate.
Hmm.
The second is हम लोग क्योंकि अच्छे 2 साल से communities चला रहे हैं, I think the services we've built and the product features we've built very deeply understand every leader's problems.
Hmm.
It will take some time for competitors to reach a state where, or even for a leader to do it himself, to reach a state where he's able to run a community without the help of the features that we've built. You can do it on a WhatsApp group, but it is very haphazard on a WhatsApp group. You don't get a lot of data. You don't understand what is happening. It's very tough to manage payments.
के लिए आपका जो processes हैं,
हाँ.
these processes are becoming your core moat.
Correct.
Hmm.
Our and of course उस पर डबल डाउन और करना और इम्प्रूव करना तो चलता रहेगा. But simple things like if you tomorrow want to lead a club, ऐसे if you're a corporate employee और कल आपको club चलाना है, तो finding 15 people who would attend your club regularly, finding a venue which is a good quality cafe where you can regularly host and it is not costing you a lot, and essentially being able to very easily and smoothly manage payments, manage all of these processes, ये एकदम intuitively नहीं आता.
So okay शाश्वत, I understand कि मतलब जो आपने processes आप बनाते जा रहे हो, and I guess these are difficult processes, क्योंकि ये payment वगैरह handle करना, yes, even if I can handle the payments, उसका reconciliation करना, उसको mark करना actually becomes a challenge. The second thing that I want to understand is कि आपका market, is it just tier 1 or do you see any growth from tier 2 also, or is it like completely off the charts?
Fundamental need that we are solving is of belongingness. ऐसा कोई भी बंदा जिसके पास कम्युनिटी के एक्सेस नहीं है, एक एक्टिव सोशल लाइफ का एक्सेस नहीं है, would probably want to use the product. जैसे हम लोग आपस में फाउंडर्स आप कई बार डिस्कस करते थे कि अगर मैं इस पे स्केल कर गया तो शायद मेरी मम्मी एक कीर्तन क्लब तो स्टार्ट करेगी कराची में, which should be very easy to do on the platform, and essentially it shouldn't matter which demographic is using it, because this need for socializing or this need for having a community is not particular to only 20 to 30. Of course उनके लिए बहुत pronounced है. Most of the world out there is trying to solve socializing for this age group, but ऐसा नहीं है community की need नहीं है. There are examples of very good startups which have solved it for senior living. community startups है, moms के groups है. There are a lot of these types of communities out there.
Kutumb
So
was one app.
Kutumb was one who was trying this, yes. तो वो तो रहेगा ही. But I think in the near future, this is the 22 to 35 demographic is probably where we will stay. Maybe we'll try to think of some other जैसे for example Dubai has a brilliant example, brilliant use case for this, क्योंकि वहाँ migrant population बहुत है और लोग आते जाते रहते हैं. अभी churn of migrant भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो आप 2-2 साल के लिए जा रहे हो फिर वापस आ रहे हो, तो हर बार every month you will have a new fresh batch of people who come to the city, don't know who to talk to and are looking for a community.
एक और बहुत ही practical जो मतलब insight that I want to like give to audience is कि आपका marketing कैसा अभी arranged है? How much of it do you think is performance marketing? How much is social media? And how much is actually these key leaders?
So we don't do performance marketing.
Oh, okay.
अभी तक हमारे सारे acquisition, user acquisition का not even a % would be performance marketing. So how we work is word of mouth and content that our marketing team makes, which is organic content put on our page, and organically जो हम वायरल जाते हैं उसी से हमारे पास डाउनलोड्स आते हैं.
तो इसी के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन है
हाँ.
कि ऐसा क्यों, मतलब, और इसका मतलब आपने ज़रूर कोई नंबर्स को एनालिसिस करी होगी,
हाँ,
तो वो भी थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में इंसाइट दीजिए.
तो इसमें बेसिकली वी न्यू कि अगर एकाएक 10 लाख लोग डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं ये ऐप, तो हमें ऑपरेशनल एफर्ट लगेगा सबको सप्लाई देने में. वी नीड टू प्लेटफॉर्माइज इट इनफ कि अगर 10 लाख लोग आए तो वो खुद ही लीडर्स बने, खुद ही क्लब चलाना शुरू कर दे और खुद ही अपने आपस में लोगों को केटर कर ले, विच करेंटली वी वर नॉट देयर. आई थिंक टिल अ गुड 1-2 months बैक वी हैव नाउ प्लेटफॉर्माइज्ड इट. तो आई थिंक in the next 2-3 months के बाद से you'll start seeing performance ads and those. But अभी नहीं. Now it's platformized enough that venues, leaders, everyone can just interact with the product. They don't need to interact with the human.
a very practical insight because
हाँ.
many people think कि यार हम marketing करेंगे हम grow कर जाएंगे, but when actually guys you are putting budgets to your marketing, always check what are the constraints, right? And if you are not taking care of those constraints, this will definitely turn into something wastage, which is where actually you will lose out on the competitive edge. अगर किसी इंसान को मतलब let's say if I am a 25-year-old है ना, if I have to do something in this industry, कुछ भी छोटे से छोटा, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
अगर इस इंडस्ट्री में स्टार्ट करना है, आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड डू इज जस्ट ट्राई टू गिव एन एक्सपीरियंस और टू 15-20 पीपल वॉट एवर, कुछ भी आपको जो भी पसंद है. आपको
Nice.
लगता है कि आपको बोर्ड गेमिंग अच्छा लगता है, बैडमिंटन अच्छा लगता है,
Hmm.
just try to go through that journey of assimilating people, providing them an experience and taking feedback.
Nice.
Try to see if you are able to form friendships. Try
Hmm.
to see how people rate the experience. Try to see what are the basics of
Hmm.
providing a 3-star, 5-star, 7-star experience to someone. क्योंकि ये essentially experience business है. Then उसके बाद you can take a step back, think कि product कैसे बन सकता है, think कि industry में और क्या problems है, क्या gaps है. But I think the first step to this is to try to provide an experience to people, because I think this is one of the most direct industries to enter. क्योंकि आप सच में 10 लोगों को फ्री में बुला लोगे तो वो फ्री में आ जाएंगे.
Exactly.
Everyone is coming for a good experience, and that is just valuable feedback for you. How you should think about what are the gaps here, what are the problems here. I think this is a very nascent industry. I think this will grow a lot over the next 3 to 5 years. I think especially with the advent of AI, the whole need for community, authentic, real world human connections, ये सब कुछ थोड़ा explode करेगा.
Exactly.
और अगर ये करेगा तो it's very opposite to AI. I'm sure even in your panel you would have a lot of people who would be talking about AI.
Yes.
This is very opposite to that, but this deals with human psychology a lot. And the first way to do it is to just host a bunch of activities or experiences.
And आपकी जर्नी में
हाँ.
within the starting, then scaling, and then fundraising. Okay, let's divide it into 3 parts.
ठीक.
कोई ऐसा हैक जो आपको लगता है कि यार ये मैंने एक छोटा सा प्रोजेक्ट किया था, बड़ा सक्सेसफुल रहा?
हाँ, ऐसे बहुत सारे हैक्स हैं. मैं चलो सबके बताता हूँ.
हम्म.
आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग की जर्नी का तो मैंने आपको बताया,
हम्म.
which was the hack is what advice I gave everyone, which is just try to like get 3 to 4 customers to use anything that you are offering. इतना फीडबैक मिलेगा, इतना समझ में आएगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारा मेरे लाइफ में भी 2-3 साल तो बस स्टार्टअप आइडिया सोचने में चले गए थे कि ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, अच्छा नहीं लोग नहीं है, अच्छा कोई CTO नहीं है, अच्छा कोई ये वो 50 चीज़ें सोच रहा होता है इंसान जब वो सोच रहा होता है कि मुझे स्टार्टअप करना है बट कैसे करूँ. बट आई थिंक द थिंग दैट वर्कड, द हैक दैट वर्कड देयर वाज कि अच्छा ठीक है, अगर ये चीज़ करनी है, अगर सोशल नेटवर्क से ऐसा कुछ बनाना है तो लेट्स ट्राई टू होस्ट एन इवेंट एंड गेट 10 पीपल. 10 लोगों को बुलाया तो लगा अच्छा कुछ हो गया है, आई हैव स्टार्टेड समथिंग. यू सडनली स्टार्ट, इवन इफ इट इज़ अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री. फॉर फंड रेज आई हैव अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एडवाइस. फंड रेजेस वर्क ऑन मोमेंटम.
Okay.
Momentum is also, it's a perceived thing. So if you walk into a room and you give everyone a vibe कि भाई momentum crazy है, तो the person sitting in the room will be like wow, this is तो ये तो exponentially explode करने वाला है, क्योंकि जो बंदा बोल रहा है वो मुझे vibe दे रहा है कि momentum तो crazy है. If you walk into a room with the vibe कि यार मैं भी skeptical हूँ, चल सकता है नहीं चल सकता है, तो पता नहीं. अब momentum बनाने के 2-3 तरीके हैं. एक तो growth लाओ, of course. Try to, अब the problem is when investors sit in a room, different investors have different scale of growth.
Exactly.
एक बड़ा इन्वेस्टर जब बैठा है और उसको आप बोल रहे हो कि आपको पता है 2000 से 10,000 2 दिन में हो गए, तो वो नहीं देगा इस बात को बहुत भाव, क्योंकि उसके लिए 2000 से 10,000 कुछ नहीं है. इट डज नॉट मैटर, इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. But if you go to an angel investor who is looking for startups and he's sort of new and he's looking for cool opportunities, और उसको आप बोलो कि ये देखो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे 2000 10,000 लोग फट से हो गए, उसको लगेगा भाई मुझे भी कुछ क्रेजी चीज़ मिल गई है, मे बी दिस इज समथिंग आई कैन इन्वेस्ट इन. एंड the essential part is these types of people eventually make that round that leads you to a stage जहाँ पे फिर कोई बड़ा इन्वेस्टर आपकी बात सुने. So the practical advice here is you should not, like, what I think the mistake I made was I would only go to these big names and I would try to raise from them. But I think what I realized was you can build momentum by getting a lot of people to angel invest. You can build momentum by rallying. तो इवन फंडरेज में ये वाइब हो कि यार इतने सारे लोग, भले ही कोई 5 लाख का ही चेक डाल रहा है, 10 लाख का ही चेक डाल रहा है, बट यू हैव अ रैली ऑफ पीपल हु आर थिंकिंग हाँ बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया है, and you can just reference those names. The most likely try to get to people who are at a CXO level in some of the other company who like your startup, who want to put in some money. Then when you're going to a bigger conversation, you can say there are 10 big people who have achieved something in their life who are willing to put some money in it. Then it becomes easier for that conversation to happen because now you've created momentum in a different way. अगर आपके numbers पे आपको लग रहा है कि this it still needs work, then this is a way to create momentum. The second advice, practical advice for fundraise that I have not implemented and I have been told to implement and I'm starting now, is to build a founder brand.
Exactly.
It is to have a LinkedIn presence. It is to be out there. Essentially tell everyone what you're building. I think when I was telling that there are a few people who've now entered the market and trying to build something very similar to what I've been doing. I think the way they are differentiated is they just loudspeaker लेके चल रहे हैं हर जगह, हर Twitter पे, LinkedIn, which is good on them.
Good.
And it's just something that I am learning now that I should also start doing.
A very, very practical advice in momentum and founder brand. It definitely help.
Yes.
And matlab for these kind of ideas where it will take a religion kind of a setup.
Correct.
So you need conviction backers.
Yes, you need
And
believers,
believers.
some proper believers.
Yes. So Shashwat, like, tell me, like, there are many ups and downs and like lots of bad moments when you are a founder, and
Yes.
especially when you are dealing with such kind of events, people not turning up is also some days a reality. What actually keeps you growing and going both?
Uh, Basically, if you start hosting communities and regularly inviting people, there might be days where people are not coming on that particular event. But it is like you've built out a community जहाँ पे शायद आज लोग नहीं आ रहे, कल लोग नहीं आ रहे, but you know the impact that you already created. जब पहली बार dip आया था तो I was feeling low. But eventually you start understanding कि these are waves. अभी कम लोग आ रहे हैं, आगे ज़्यादा लोग आ रहे होंगे. There is a steady scale at which this keeps growing also, and you learn to live with those things. At a small community level कि एक club कैसे चल रहा है, and at a startup level where 150 communities are running, the pattern is somewhat similar. जैसे the first time we had a November December वाला month, we had a huge dip. कोई नहीं आ रहा था because everyone was traveling and we were thinking कि ये तो बंद करना पड़ेगा. But then this December and January आए, लोग वापस आने लग गए because then you understand user behavior कि हाँ ये ऐसे ही करता है, this is how it works. So I think experience teaches you how users work. If you know your product is good and if you know how that people would in a recurring manner want your offering, then there can be dips, but if you're offering well, if you're probably like आपको पता है कोई और competitor कुछ crazy better offer नहीं कर रहा, then you know that people will keep on coming. It's fine.
So
In short.
basically, I wanted to ask you, what keeps you going internally? What is the kind of motivation that keeps you, riding that every day?
Yeah, I to have no other choice than to keep going. Essentially, as a startup founder, you have to create a circumstance where success becomes the only option.
Basically, your motivation is comes from a constraint.
हाँ, it comes from a constraint.
कि success is the only option.
Yes.
Perfect. That's the one of the best ways to think of it. Keeps you away from distraction. अच्छा शाश्वत, एक और जो चीज़ मतलब आपके प्रोडक्ट से बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेटेड है वो है विमेन एंड विमेन पार्टिसिपेशन एंड लाइक व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ एप्रीहेंशंस जो लड़कियों को होती हैं.
Very interesting. So, पहली बात है, once you enter the IRL business, you will also understand that you'll see their perspective in a sense that the type of men, I'm not sure if it's Delhi NCR, but the type of men out there is a concern. And that
Exactly.
means girls being concerned about safety is like, at least Delhi NCR में तो ये इतना ज़्यादा valid है, इतना बड़ा problem हो सकता है if you are negligent about it, that you cannot build a startup in this industry
Exactly.
if you don't get into it. Everywhere where you've left a hole in terms of someone misbehaving, you will 100% see someone misbehave. मतलब दैट इज द वे। या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे, व्हाट्सएप के फीचर में प्रॉब्लम है कि जो ओपन ग्रुप्स होते हैं उन पे आप ग्रुप लिस्ट पे जा सकते हो एंड यू कैन
Exactly.
लुक एट पीपल्स डीपीज।
Yes.
रैंडम लड़के ऐड हो जाएंगे उस ग्रुप पे, दे विल लुक एट एनी गर्ल का डीपी एंड देन हे हाय कैन आई मीट यू व्हाटएवर। Now this started happening the moment we started like sort of indexing on WhatsApp groups. App पे हमने behavior बहुत control रखा है कि look, we know that people want to make connections and talk to each other, so then there should be some friend requests or these kinds of filters at which you can actually make friends and talk to people. Meetup के अंदर thankfully the way our meetups are designed, it is based on an activity. It is based on a standard behavior of a meetup. तो अगर मैं बुक क्लब में आ रहा हूँ तो एक लीडर ने सोचा है कि आज कैसे इंटरेक्शन होगा। जैसे आज हम इस पॉडकास्ट में इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, देयर इज अ स्टैंडर्ड बिहेवियर इन इंटरेक्टिंग इन अ पॉडकास्ट। इफ आई सडनली स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट, एवरीवन हियर विल नो कि ये दिस इज नॉट स्टैंडर्ड बिहेवियर। So the standard behavior is very well defined. That means non-standard behavior is easier to identify and then call out as well. The leaders are generally very vigilant. It is very easy to sort of raise requests around these things on the platform. That is serious security concerns.
So अभी जो मतलब बेसिकली एक तरीके से सेल्फ सिलेक्शन सा हो रहा है, जब आप स्केल करोगे तब
हाँ।
और एडवर्स सिलेक्शन होगा। Basically all type of people will start coming, and by that time I guess you would have to have a very solid structure. And from the community of people that watch our videos, many of them are looking to join a startup like you. What would be your pitch to them?
We want to build the next generational social network. That is a big bit. So that means this working for us is essentially an opportunity of a lifetime. You will probably create impact which you will remember for your life, and this is direct impact. You will create impact in people's lives that you will meet. You will see how their life has changed. You will see people who were isolated before and have like the most fun life because of something you've done. That impact, अब उसके बाद भी अगर आप कुछ और करने जाओगे तो you'll carry that impact for the rest of your life. That's probably one of the biggest or the most real impactful things that you've done. But if you think you are that, you're welcome to apply.
So guys, अगर आपको लगता है कि this kind of impact motivates you, then Shashwat is the guy. You can reach out. Even if like you are in different cities, they will definitely be coming to your cities. अभी आज गुड़गांव है, बैंगलोर है, आज मुंबई है. I guess 3 cities you have. It will reach Hyderabad also. It will reach Ahmedabad also. It will reach Chennai also. So maybe you are that person. So it is as simple a pitch as that. So thank you, Shashwat, so much for finding time and giving like real good practical insights. And one thing that I really liked from what you have said is the thing about resistance and building something from scratch, like not speeding things up. They tend to become delicious by themselves. So
Correct.
so and that line of yours that it will scale like a religion. I guess Sanjeev sir थोड़ा ज़्यादा समझते हैं, but he definitely understands it really well.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Shashwat, for your time.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. This is nice one.